on the Friday that he ill and couldn't appear or something, but you're on. And do you happen to have the interlock device on your vehicle?
Well, excuse me, sir.
Do you happen to have the interlock device on your vehicle?
That vehicle belonged to my mom that I had borrowed that night,
Uh-huh.
and she has it in her house, and she won't let me near the car. So
Okay.
I don't have a car at this time.
Okay.
I have a friend that takes me to work.
Okay, it'll be the mobile, the portable or mobile. Yes, because by law, because you have a Class A DWI charge, that's mandatory that you have the interlock device or a portable. And so the court's going to issue you an order so that you can get the portable device.
Okay.
So your case, CR 2204 280D, Juan Miguel Peña, your charge is DWI Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. Court will at this time accept a not guilty plea, but we're going to reset it for July 19th, 3 p.m. for status hearing on the interlock device or the portable. July 19th, 3 p.m. So
Okay.
you're going to be getting an order. Miss Jessica, you want a phone number right now or something?
Yes, please, Judge.
Okay, could we have your phone number, Mr. Peña?
Yes, sir. It's 951-434-1312.
951-434-1312.
Correct, sir.
Is that enough, Mr. Ramirez?
Yes, Judge, I'll call him when docket is over and give him more instructions.
All right. You're going to be getting a phone call from the probation department, so they're going to give you instructions, Mr. Peña. But
Okay,
your
sir.
date has been reset for July 19th for status hearing, so that hopefully we will hear that you already have your interlock device, okay?
Okay,
Or
sir.
the
Thank you, sir.
portable. All right. Thank you, sir. Your excuse. Have a good day.
Okay, you too,
Oh,
sir. Thank you.
please, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, sir?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Number 8, George Munoz.
Mr. George Munoz on number 8.
I don't know if his client is in his office. He's not
Yes,
in
sir,
the-
Mr. Munoz. Your client is Damon Choi,
Damon Choi.
CR 2204-636D. Is he?
He should be on Zoom, Judge. I don't know if he's.
Okay. There it is. Just got on at the nick of time. All right. That pin was about to issue a nice eye when he got on and stopped. So we brought it to a halt.
Thank you, Judge.
He's connecting right now. What is his charge? DWI Class A?
It is Judge DWI Class A.
Do you know if he's got the interlock device?
He's on.
I do not know, Judge. I can ask
Okay.
him.
All right. He just needs to unmute. There he is. Can you hear me, Mr. Choi?
Morning. Yes,
Good
sir.
morning, sir. CR 2204-636D, Damon Kim Choi. Your charge is a DWI Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. And what is your plea today, sir? Not guilty?
Yes, Judge.
Not-
You're not guilty, Judge. Request
All
it.
right, we'll issue a not guilty plea here. Mr. Choi, do you happen to have the interlock device in your vehicle?
Yes, sir, I do. I got it installed.
Okay, and who's the vendor?
It's going to be in Toxalock.
Okay. Very good. Just remember, sir, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending. We're going to give you a pretrial date of,
November 8th.
that's right. Pretrial date, Mr. Munoz. November 8th, 2023, 9 a.m. Now, if you need us to bump the case, could you work something out with the state, please let us know. We'll hear it right away.
I will, Judge. Thank you.
Remember that. So it's way down the line, November the 8th, 2023. Don't anybody get scared. Some people do, but it'll be for 9 o'clock. But if you work something out real quickly
Or
with
an
the state.
MTS
Yeah, MTS, whatever, pretrial matter with the state.
or PTD
PTD, please let us know.
We'll do,
And
Judge.
it'll be real soon, okay?
in a couple of weeks.
Like in a couple of weeks. There you go.
Sounds good,
But some
Judge.
people get crazy because it's way over there. What
No,
they
no.
don't know is when we go back to court, there's a lot of other cases that are way older than this
Right.
one.
No, I
And this
understand.
actually is going to get bumped to about 2025. So try to work something out, okay, guys?
Will do, Judge. Thank you. Judge.
Thank you very much. You both are excused. Have a good day.
You too,
Thank you.
Judge.
Bye-bye.
Mr. Jose Solis is here for number 10, Carlos Arredondo.
Okay, Jose Solis, that'll be number 10.
Good morning, Judge.
Yes, sir, Mr. Solis. I believe you're here on Carlos Arredondo.
I'm standing in for Artemio de la Fuente, Judge, on behalf of Mr. Arredondo. I believe we're set for an arraignment this morning.
All right. Now, it's CR 2204963D, Carlos Padron Arredondo. His charge is a Class A misdemeanor DWI. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that, Mr. Arredondo? All right, you need to unmute Mr. Arredondo. There you go. You understand?
Sí.
All right.
Yes.
And how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty?
¿Cómo se
Judge,
declara, señor? ¿Culpable o no culpable?
Judge, we're
No.
respectfully entering a plea of not guilty and requesting a pretrial setting, Judge.
No culpable, not guilty. Okay, we got it. Mr. Arredondo, do you happen to have the interlock device on your vehicle?
Señor Arredondo, ¿usted tiene el aparato en su vehículo de alcohol?
Sí.
¿Con qué compañía? Yes.
No recuerdo el nombre de la compañía.
Si tiene un documento ahí o un email o algo,
Un
la
recibo.
corte necesita el nombre de la compañía
Un recibo,
o
a receipt.
Sí lo tengo, pero lo tengo en el vehículo.
Okay, you need his phone number, Mr. Ramirez?
Yes, Judge, I can call him and get the vendor name afterwards.
Okay,
deme un teléfono, señor Arredondo. Es que la corte tiene que confirmar que usted tiene ese aparato.
Sí. 475-5425.
475
5425.
5425.
y el área es 956
956, sí.
956-475-5425.
Okay, Mr. Solis, we're gonna give you a PT, pretrial date.
Señor Solís, ¿puede ir a checar en su troca o alguien puede ir para ver el nombre de la compañía?
Sí.
Por favor.
Judge, can we?
Ahí en medio todos los papeles.
Because it's going to determine the reset date we're going to give him, Mr. Solís.
Tráete todo.
Ahorita lo esperamos.
Sí, está bien. Ricardo Flores.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Flores, good morning, sir. Can you hear me, Mr. Flores? Okay. We got a technical problem already. Who's this client?
It's not in the waiting room. It's number 3, Alberto Garza.
Ricardo Flores.
Okay, we can go back to Mr. Arredondo. He's-
All right, let's go to Mr. Arredondo.
Señor Arredondo, ponga el sonido, por favor. ¿Qué nombre dice arriba? Lifesaver. Jessica.
Yes, I got that. Lifesaver? Okay.
What number is this? This is number,
Okay, gracias, señor Arredondo.
which number is it?
Number 10.
Oh, number 10, okay. So, Mr. Solis, here's the pre-call date. I got it here. It's November the 8th, 2023, November the 8th, PT, 9 a.m. However, Mr. Solis, I didn't hear you. You muted.
Sorry, Judge, did you say 2023? I didn't catch that.
Yes, 11/8/2023, 9 a.m. If you in the state work something out, you want to do an MTS, any pre-trial matter, please let the court know and we'll bump it up in a month or 2 weeks, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you very much. Meanwhile, Mr. Redondo, please, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, sir?
Señora Redondo, es importante, por favor, que mientras este caso esté pendiente de que no esté tomando alcohol y cumpla con las condiciones del contrato de ese aparato y tome las pruebas cuando tiene que tomarlas, por favor.
All right, thank you, sir. You may be excused.
Se
Have a
puede
great day.
retirar. Pase buen día.
May I be
You too,
excused
Mr.
as well,
Lee.
Judge?
Yes, sir. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, who's next? All right, Mr. Flores. What number is it?
Good morning, Judge. I believe it's number
Nine. Number 9. Got it. Number 9 here. Mr. Flores, good morning, sir. And then we have Vanessa Ireta. I think that's the last name. Okay, Vanessa Ireta. Can you unmute, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, good morning. Your case, CR 22-04-959D. Vanessa Ireta, DWI, Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
What's your plea right now? Guilty, not guilty?
Just plain not,
I'm sorry, Mr. Flores, not guilty?
just plain not guilty, Judge.
All right, not guilty is the plea we're gonna put here on the file. And Miss Ireta, do you happen to have the interlock device in your vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and who's the vendor? Who's the company that you got it from?
Drager?
Traeger? Okay, Traeger. Pre-trial date, Mr. Flores. November the 8th, 2023, 9 a.m. November the 8th, 2023, 9 a.m. is way out there. However, if you work something out with the state or you want to do an MTS or any pre-trial matter, please let the court know. We'll bump it up. Okay, sir?
Yes, Your Honor, and happy belated Father's Day to you and to everybody else that's on the screen, Judge.
All right. Same to you there, Mr. Flores. And you
Really?
have a great day. Okay, sir?
Thank you, Judge. You have a great day also.
You too. And Miss Vanessa, please, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending. Okay, ma'am?
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Your excuse.
Thank you.
All right. Let's find some more people.
Mr. Ricardo Flores,
And some the other Ricardo Flores.
number 3.
Mr. Flores, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right. There we go. And number 3. That'll
Yes.
be Alberto Garza. Mr. Garza?
I haven't seen him, Your Honor. I've
All
called
right.
him, left an email. Don't know
Okay.
what that-
And court will note that he is not in the waiting room. It's already 9:20, 9:15 or 18, and he should have been on board 9 o'clock. So therefore, court will issue an ISI on CR 22-04-183D, Alberto Jerome Garza. That'll be an ISI. So if you hear from him, let us know as soon as possible. Okay, Mr. Flores?
Will do, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, stay safe. You're excused. Bye-bye.
Number 4, Mr. Rodolfo Ruiz.
Okay. And Luis Arcos. Mr. Reese. Mr. Rodolfo Reese. Okay, we're trying to get Mr. Reese. Let's see here. Any other?
There's no attorneys.
All right, that'll be Richard Gonzalez and then. Well, we're trying to match an attorney with a defendant and we can't do that right now. Short recess right now. Good morning, Mr. Cantu. You need to unmute.
I just did, sir.
Okay, great.
Yes, sir.
You're here on CR 2204-133D.
I am, Your Honor, with the,
CR 04-133. Oh, that would be number 2, the Moises Flores case.
sir.
Is Moises Flores the attorney or you're?
Well, I've been substituted, I guess, or I've been retained
Okay, you've been
by Mr.
retained.
Maldonado. Yes.
There you go.
We need a
Retained by defendant. Now we need an order substituting.
Okay, you want me to go ahead and submit a substitute order?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
So we can have you on record here as being the attorney on record.
I understand, sir.
Now, Juan, is he up? Oh, there he is, Mr. Maldonado. There he is. He needs to unmute.
There you go. I'm sorry.
All right, good. Okay, good morning, sir. Your
Morning.
case, CR 2204-133D, Juan Manuel Elizondo Maldonado, is a Class A misdemeanor DWI. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. And you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
And how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty?
Not guilty.
Court will enter a not guilty plea. And then, do you happen to have the interlock device in your vehicle?
No, sir. I currently don't have a vehicle right now. I'm in the transit of buying one. I've been going through work, and I had been going offshore, so I hadn't had time to be on land to handle all that.
Okay, now, if you don't have one now, then you need, you can also get a portable, okay? A portable device. The court will issue an order where you need to have one because it's mandatory by state. And then we're gonna have another date here for a status hearing. So could we have your phone number?
Yes, sir. It's 956-460-2809.
2809. Did you get that, Ms. Ramirez?
Yes, Judge, thank you.
And Ms. Ramirez is a probation officer. Okay, you'll be getting a phone call from her and she'll issue you an order and then we'll set it for status hearing. Mr. Cantu,
Your Honor.
status hearing, July 19th.
Your Honor, can it be a little later than that? Because I've got a medical issue coming up on the 15th and I will not be able to.
Not a problem, Mr. Cantu, as long as he shows up.
He just needs to show proof, or if he shows you
Or-
proof before.
Yes, if he shows you proof before July 19th, that'll do it.
Okay, we just need proof before.
Exactly, exactly.
Okay, but I do apologize to the court, but I've got.
No problem.
I've got.
No problem.
situation on the
problem.
15th.
But just if for some reason you do not show up, but you know, we are gonna go through the hearing, it'll be him. He'll show up on July 19th. But we can avoid all of that if you can get the proof before the 19th.
Very
Okay.
well, Your Honor.
All right, no
Or
alcohol
I'll,
consumption.
or I'll
Mr.
have
Moore.
somebody cover for me.
Okay. If you have to, because they show proof before, you don't have to, okay?
Very well, Your Honor.
Good luck with that procedure. And Mr. Maldonado, please, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, sir?
Yes, sir, of course.
All right, have a great day. You're excused.
Your Honor, I have nothing further. May I be excused, sir?
You're excused. Thank you, sir. Have a
Thank you
good
very
day.
much and stay safe, sir.
You too. Bye-bye. Anybody else?
Mr. Ruiz. His client is with him.
Mr.
That's number 4.
Number 4. Number 4. Attorney Rodolfo Ruiz.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Good morning, Mr. Ruiz. Your client is Luis
Yes,
Manuel Arcos.
yes, Your Honor. I have number 4 and number 5 on your docket.
Yes, correct. Number 4 and number 5. But is Mr. Arcos anywhere to be found?
Mr. Arcos should be in the waiting room.
Okay, the only person we have there is Rogelio Vela Cantu and nobody else.
Okay.
You may want to give him a phone call, sir.
Sure. Yeah, he's in my office. He probably logged
Oh.
out. Let me go get him
Okay.
logged back in.
Or just put him there behind you or something or next to you. I don't know. I mean, you know, so we can just see him barely and that'll do it.
Let me grab him.
All right, thank you. Mr. Lopez, good morning.
Good morning, Judge.
Yes, sir. Your client, Juan Miguel Peña, CR 2204 280D. We already talked to him earlier, and we accepted a not guilty plea, and we got his phone number because the probation department will be talking to him about an interlock device or portable.
Okay,
And
Your
so, did we give him a status?
Yes.
Which was July?
July.
He got a status hearing of July 19,
July 19th. Okay. At what time, Your Honor?
3 p.m.
3 p.m.
Yes, sir. So we advised him of all of that, and we excused him already. Okay, sir?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Mr. Arcos is coming in.
Okay, I think Mr. Arcos is about to join us. Got 2 cases, right? Ellen? A Class B and a Class A. All right, after that, Mr. Juan Solis. All right, Mr. Arcos, you need to unmute, sir. Yeah, he needs to get help from the staff there to unmute.
Okay, Judge.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Mr. Arcos needs to unmute. So I don't know if your secretary or somebody's got to go out there and help him with the unmute.
Luis, quítale el micro, Luis.
There you go. Can you hear me, Luis?
¿Escuchas al juez, Luis?
Sí.
Yes.
Okay, we gotta. Okay.
So it's got a real bad connection.
Yeah, we got a bad connection. So, could it be because of some devices that are on or something, or they're close by or something? All right, I'm not a scientist. I cannot answer that one. All right, can you hear me, Mr. Arcos? ¿Me puede escuchar?
Sí.
Maybe that's better. That's better. Mucho mejor, Mr. Arcos. You have 2 cases, Mr. Arcos.
Tienes 2 casos, señor Arcos.
CR 2204-266D, Luis Manuel Arcos, Class A misdemeanor DWI. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
El primer caso, CR 2204-266D del estado de Texas contra Luis Manuel Arcos, es una clase A. Bajo la ley es no más de una multa de $4,000 y no más de 1 año en la cárcel. ¿Comprendes eso? ¿Sí o no?
No te escuché.
Esa es la
Eso es lo que la ley dice. Es una multa no más de $4,000 y no más de 1 año en la cárcel. Esa es la sentencia que puedes recibir. La pregunta es, ¿comprendes eso? ¿Sí o no?
Sí.
Yes.
The other case, CR 2204-267D, Luis Manuel Arcos, duty on striking a fixture on the highway, Class B misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to 180 days in jail and not more than a $2,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Y señor Arcos, el segundo caso, CR 22042667D, el estado de Texas contra Luis Manuel Arcos, es una clase B. En este caso, es no más de una multa de $2,000 y no más de 6 meses en la cárcel. La pregunta es, ¿comprendes eso, sí o no?
Sí.
Yes.
And for both cases, sir, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty?
Y para los dos casos, ¿cómo te declaras? ¿Culpable o no culpable?
No.
Okay, not guilty. All right, Mr. Arcos, do you happen to have the interlock device in your vehicle?
Señor Arcos, ¿usted tiene el aparato en su vehículo de alcohol?
Sí.
Okay, do you know the name of the vendor?
¿Con qué compañía?
No me acuerdo cómo se llama.
¿No trae ahí un email o algo donde esté escrito? La corte necesita el nombre.
Or un recibo, a receipt?
Sí, traigo, pero lo dejé en el carro.
Okay.
¿El carro está afuera?
Sí.
Ok, puede ir rapidito. Necesitamos el nombre de la compañía, por favor.
Okay, we'll wait for you. Thank you, sir. So, Mr. Reese, on both cases, we entered a not guilty plea. And if it's got the interlock device and confirms that, we'll give him a pretrial date.
Perfect.
And between now and hopefully the next 30 days, if you agree something with the state, let us know. And we'll bring you back on as soon as possible. Okay, sir? If you want to do a plea or a PTD or an MTS, whatever, let us know.
We'll look at the discovery, Your Honor, and see if we can come to an agreement.
There you
Your
go.
Honor, we also have a motion to consolidate these cases on the court's docket. I'm wondering if we can consolidate it into the CR 2204266, the DWI Class A case for purposes of judicial efficiency.
Okay. Actually, we cannot consolidate. Which other court is this on? In?
Right here, these two. Talking about these two.
Oh, these two cases? Oh, you were asking both of them?
Correct. Yes, Your
They're
Honor.
already in the same court, right? Our court, right?
Yes.
So no, we just leave it like that. What happens is they're both gonna carry together to the
Okay.
pretrial date.
Okay.
I think that's what you mean, right? That's what you want to accomplish.
Right, Your Honor, because my concern is if I file a motion for discovery, for example, I can file it just into one. Is that my understanding?
No, just put both cost numbers on the top.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah, both cost numbers. No, when we give you a pretrial date, it'll be for both.
Gotcha. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, I thought, okay, we got it.
Disculpa.
All right, welcome back, Mr. Arcos. Did you get the name of the vendor?
¿Tiene el nombre de la compañía?
Es American Interblock.
Did you get that, Miss Ramirez?
Yes, Judge, I got it. Thank you.
You got it. Okay.
Okay.
All right,
Do
thank
want a
you,
phone
sir.
number from me?
No, you don't need a phone number. Wait a minute.
No, Judge, I'll get it from the vendor.
Okay, very well. Mr. Reese, we're gonna give you a pretrial date of, no, for both cases, pretrial date, November the 8th, 2023, 9 a.m. If, however, as soon as you get discovery done and you want to work something out with the state, or you want to file a pretrial motion or something, please let the court know. We'll bump it up and we'll hear you as soon as possible. Okay, sir?
Thank you, Your Honor.
But for right now, November the 8th, 2023, 9 a.m. for both cases, CR 2204-266D, CR 2204-267D. Luis Manuel Arcos.
Señor Arcos, la fecha que la Corte le ha dado va a ser para el día 8 de noviembre del 2023 a las 9 de la mañana. El juez le acaba de indicar a su abogado que si llegan a un acuerdo con el fiscal, entonces nada más tiene que llamar a la Corte y la Corte le puede dar una fecha más temprana. Nada más con que se comuniquen con la Corte.
Please, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, Mr. Arcos?
Y es importante, señor Arcos, por favor, de que no esté tomando alcohol mientras estos casos estén pendientes.
Okay, sir. All right, you're excused. Have a great day.
Se puede retirar.
You
Pase
too,
buen
Mr.
día.
Ruiz. Have a great day. You're excused. Okay, sir?
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a good day.
Yes, sir. Bye-bye. All right. All right, Mr. Edelmiro Arredondo. Can you hear me, Mr. Arredondo? Wasn't today supposed to be a holiday?
Not for us.
Not for us. Okay, that answers the question.
Maybe next year.
Maybe next year, Mr. Ramirez, okay? All right, let me see here. We got Rogelio. No. Let me see here.
Edelmiro, up there.
Mr. Edelmiro Arredondo. I think it looks
Morning,
like
Judge.
yes, sir. Good morning. I think you're walking in the courthouse or something.
Yeah, sorry, Judge. I was here in the 275th, Judge.
Oh, okay, sir. Your case is CR 20 00398D Evan Resendez.
Yes, Judge.
All right, and do you know where Mr. Resendez is?
He's supposed to be on Zoom, Judge.
No, we don't see him. Why don't we give you some time so you can find him? You want to give him a call?
Okay, Judge. Let me go ahead and give him a call so he can log on.
Okay, very well. Thank you.
Yes, Judge. Okay.
Mr. Rogelio Cantu needs to unmute. Which number is that? Number?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Number 7, Mr. Cantu.
Just take off your cap, Mr. Cantu,
Mr.
please.
Cantu. Good morning, Mr. Cantu.
Good morning, sir.
CR 22-04504D, Rogelio Vela Cantu, and your charge DWI Class A misdemeanor. Your attorney, Richard Gonzalez, is not in the waiting room, so I think we're going to handle this without him right now, just for right now. And it's a DWI Class A misdemeanor. That carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. We're going to enter today a not guilty plea, not guilty. Now, Mr. Cantu, do you happen to have the interlock device in your vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know the name of the vendor? Where you got it from?
Smart Start.
Okay. Smart Start. Good job. Very well. Pre-trial day. All right. We're going to give you a pre-trial date. Pre-trial date, Mr. Cantu, for you is going to be November the 8th. 2023, 9 a.m. It sounds like it's way out there, but if you and your attorney and the state can work something out, please let the court know or through your attorney, and we'll bump it up and hear you in a couple of weeks or as soon as possible, okay? So it'll give you a lot of time to work out this case. November the 8th, 2023, 9 a.m. Okay, sir?
Okay, sir.
And we'll give this a date to your attorney. And in the meantime, Mr. Cantu, please, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, sir?
Okay, sir.
All right, you stay safe and be careful out there.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Bye-bye. Anybody else?
Just waiting for Mr. Arredondo.
Oh, that's right, Mr. Redondo. All right, court will resume with the June 20th, 2022 docket. I don't see either Mr. Edelmiro Arredondo in the waiting room, the attorney, or defendant Evan Homer Resendez, CR 20-00398D. I don't see any